Hello, in this video I'm going to show the security tricks on HUAWEI Mate Xs 2. Alright, so let's open up the settings. Once we are here, let's scroll down into the bottom until we find the security options. And let me show you and describe the most interesting features that we have on this device. Let's begin with setting up a screen lock. Let's select right in here. We can enter the 6-digit PIN, or we can click on change password type, and for example we can set the pattern. So now connect at least 4 dots to create a pattern. If you want to try again, click on redraw to confirm, draw your pattern again and click on done if you want to save it. Also we can click on more settings, and in here we should have the fingerprint, but I don't know why it doesn't appear right now. Maybe it will be in the privacy. Oh, here it is, my bad. Biometrics and password. Let's click the fingerprint ID, draw a pattern, and we can select use fingerprint to unlock device, access safe, or the access app lock. It's completely up to you what you would choose. I'm going to show you all methods. So now to add your fingerprint, we need to place our fingerprint on the sensor, our finger on the sensor, and our sensor is located on our power button. And now we need to place our finger on the power button, and we need to repeat that process until this fingerprint on the middle of the screen is fulfilled. Sometimes it might take a few tries. So simply repeat the process until your fingerprint is saved. Sometimes this sensor doesn't want to work in a proper way, but now I think it will be okay. Give me a second. Let's try again. You can also try to place your finger from different angles. The sensor doesn't want to work in the best way, but it should be fine. Okay, now our fingerprint has been successfully enrolled. Click on OK. If you want, you can also set up the face recognition. To do it, click on Setup, draw your pattern, click on Get Started, and now all you need to do is to simply place your face inside of that frame and wait until your face will be saved. So now let's go back, and now use fingerprint ID too. We can access safe to it and access the app lock. Let's begin with safe. Let's click on enable, click on allow, and let me show you how to create that safe. So thanks to the safe, we will be able to keep the things away from unwanted people. Click on enable, click on the storage. Now create your password, and the password must consist of 6 to 16 digits or numbers and include at least one letter. So create your password. And hit next. Okay, in here we have the security question. If you want, you can set the custom one or pick between one of that list. Then hit done once you have set everything. Okay, and now our safe has been should be made. Next thing is getting access into the app lock. We can also enable it. Click on enable. We can use the lock screen password or the custom PIN. I'll keep the lock screen password. And now it has been made. Now how to get access into those things? Let's go back from here. Let's go into the security. In here we have the app lock, the safe, that's our safe, I think so, yeah. The app lock, also the password vault, and the file safe. Let's hit the app lock first. Let's use the password. And now, in here you can add the things, select the apps that you want to lock with your password. So for example, we want to lock the recorder app. Now, if someone will want to open up the recorder, I also need to find it because I don't know where it is. It should be in here somewhere. And let me only find it. No, it's not in here, but maybe under the tools, yeah. So now, if someone wants to open up the recorder just like that, the app says that it requires fingerprint or the password to unlock the app. So only when I'll use the fingerprint or the password, the recorder app launches. Pretty simple. So that's an example of the app lock, how it works. Now let's go into the password vault. And in here we can save and autofill usernames and password. You can also manage autofill settings. Usernames and password for selected apps can be autofilled while logging. And now the file safe. Let's open it up. Okay, click on yes. If you want, you can link with the HUAWEI ID. Okay, and in here we can add the images, audio, videos, or the files into our safe. Simply click on add, and in here you can manually select the things that you want to add into your safe. Thanks to that, they will be safe, because the only way to get access into your safe is by typing the password. So that's how it works. Okay. Now, not the privacy. Okay, in here, under the privacy settings, you can use the super privacy mode or private space, and also the image privacy. If you click on that, thanks to that, you will be able to remove location info from the photo, or also remove other info from the photo. We also have the super privacy mode. Thanks to that, this mode prevents apps from accessing your device camera, microphone, and location. This mode can also be accessed from the control panel. So if you want, you can enable this mode. And now, those things that were written won't happen to us. Also, we have the private space. So what is a private space? A private space is a completely separate space where you can store files, information, and other data that's just for you. Set a unique PIN, pattern, or password to create your private space. Once it's set up, you can access it directly from the lock screen. Click on enable, verify with your lock screen. Now set your password. It should be different than the main one, so select it, then click on done. If you want, you can add the fingerprint. I don't want it, so I'll click on cancel. Now draw your pattern to confirm. And now you are directly in our private space. So if in here you can do your stuff, in here you can hide your things. And if you want to go back, open up the notification bar, click right in here. And you should be able to exit the private space from here. Click on exit, and now we are in our normal mode. If you want to get into it, click log in, and you will be able to open up it back again. All right. Also, I'm wondering, do we have some kind of this scanning app? Because in the HUAWEI phone they are really hidden, and those things are in so many different places. I mean, the app log, the password wall, the find device, and in here the image privacy. They're all pretty hidden. They're not all in one place. Sometimes it's really annoying because I cannot find everything at the same time, and I'm, you know, going a lot on the phone. Let's click on the biometrics and not in here again. Into the security, and let's click right in here, and let's perform a virus scan. Currently everything is secured, so I'm not even able to perform the scan. From time to time you can simply take a look if everything looks fine. If it's not, simply follow the instruction on your screen. Also, I have found that in the biometrics and password, if you click on the smart unlock, you will be able to unlock your device without verifying your password or biometrics when a trusted Bluetooth wearable is connected. So, for example, when you are connected currently with your watch, your earbuds, your smart band, you'll be able to do it when you add your device into this smart unlock. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.